Unboxing the GoPro Hero 9 Black. They say this time they got more of everything, so let's check it out. It's a good looking box. Let's open it and see what's inside. My knife is really struggling to cut it. There you go. Just ripped it open. There's a hard-shelled case with a zipper. Zip it. This is it. Wow, it's nice. Now, I mean, there's a lot of different action cameras that you can buy. Personally, I chose the GoPro because I am a little biased to GoPro. I used to own a GoPro Hero 4 Black. Ooh, I love peeling this off. Ooh. For some reason, peeling these off gives me a satisfaction, like a little kid. Nice big display in the back and a very nice LCD display in the front for the first time. Feels a little bit bigger than the previous models, but again, now it's waterproof without a case, just like the Hero 8. It's just a very compact camera. Also, another reason people choose GoPros is because the online market is full of different mounts, lenses, filters, cases, batteries, chargers, microphones, just anything you need to get that perfect shot of content. I mean, you can use that thing for a video capture and now even for a photo capture, since they bumped up the camera to 20 megapixels. It's double the picture size and the quality should be much better. It's a sturdy camera, the case is tough, there's a rubbery bits on the front and on the back around the screen. It's just a robust camera that you can use for anything. Looking at the product, I think I'm gonna love it. Let's see what else is in the case. That's my charging cable. Oh nice, a spare battery, awesome. Helmet mount with a adhesive on this side. You just peel this off, stick it anywhere. These are just the regular mount. This feels a little different. Oh nice, there's a rubber bit, even says GoPro on it. Alright, and what's underneath here? Oh, it's a mini holder slash tripod. Yep. Oh, that's a neat touch. What else do we have here? We have the micro SD card. It's 64 gigabytes, by the way. Subscribe to GoPro, some stickers and directions how to use it, and the manual. It's a compact package, but it's nice. I like the case. I'll probably put everything back inside and carry it. It's sturdy, so I would use the case to protect it. Just get it inside, zip it up and go. These battery packs are kind of bigger than the previous models, so it's supposed to be like 30% more battery life. We'll see. Leave some comments down below if you guys have any questions that I can cover in the review. And always guys, stay positive.